Hey, you remember this car? Well, it's in the shop now. Remember that weird misfire? We went ahead and changed the spark plugs, put in new fuel injectors, and a new igniter. So, the car started up, but it still had that misfire. We took the valve cover off, and guess what? We found the problem. The chain guides, well, they are rotted. It's a 1991. What do you expect? After a while, these things gonna, fail. So we just ordered a new one on Amazon. Should expect them to be here this week or tomorrow. Well, it said today, but anyway, we're gonna get it done, and we're gonna get this car up and running and back on the road.